In this video, I'm going to show you how to export HTML from Mailchimp's new builder. This is incredibly useful if you want to use your email design outside of Mailchimp, share it with a developer, or simply keep a backup of your template as raw code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your templates step by step using the new builder without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main control center for everything related to your email campaigns. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. This is where Mailchimp organizes all of its tools and features. From here, click on Campaigns. This section is where you manage your email marketing activities, including campaigns and templates. Once you're inside the Campaigns section, look for the option labeled Email Templates and click on it. This will take you to your template library, where all your saved designs are stored. Take a moment to browse through your templates and locate the one you want to export. If you have a lot of templates, you can use the search bar to find it faster. Now, here's an important tip. Make sure the template you're selecting was created using the Mailchimp new builder and not the legacy builder. Templates built with the legacy system may follow a different export process, so it's important to choose the correct one. Once you've found your template, look next to it for a small drop-down arrow or a More Options button. Click on it to reveal additional actions you can perform. From the menu that appears, select Export Template. Mailchimp will automatically prepare your template as an HTML file, so you don't need to choose any format manually. If prompted, confirm the export. This step simply ensures that you want to proceed with downloading the file. After that, Mailchimp will generate your HTML file. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on how complex your template is. Once the file's ready, it'll automatically download to your computer, typically in your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it, share it, or use it in other platforms as needed. And that's it. You've successfully exported an HTML file from Mailchimp's new builder, giving you full access to your email template code and complete flexibility in how you use it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.